So what's happening right now when you're doing it is your left hand is doing 2 rotations here in the back. So you're going front, 1, 2, side, front, 1, 2, side, front, instead of back, side, front, back, side, front, back, side, front, back, side, front. And then with your right hand, you're doing the extra rotation in the front. So you're going 1, 2, side, back, 1, 2, side, back. So you want to remember, as soon as you get to the front, immediately go to the side. As soon as you get to the front, immediately go to the side. Do the full range of motion. So if you're starting back here, you're going to go all the way to the front, side, back. All the way to the front, side, back. All the way to the front, side, back. All the way. All the way. Allow yourself, and don't look over your shoulder, because in real life you're going to be using both hands. You want to look forward while you're doing it. So if you were to look at me back view, when I put it together, it's like this. And notice how much I'm using that Pilates to rotate my body and get it around. Before you actually put it together, I want you to be able to do each hand doing its appropriate movement 10 times without any extra pedals, like without any extra rotation. So none of this extra one here. And 10, be able to do 1, 2, 3, and be able to do 2 sets of 10, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. So 2 sets with each hand consecutively, which is really 20 in a row. And if you haven't gotten 20 in a row, I think putting it together is probably just gonna make you crazy. So just give yourself the gift of the time to learn it.